everyone, Teacher Ashley here.
Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you're not quite done yet. Go ahead and click on that bell. That way you can get notified about every new video. Make sure you like, comment, and you can check out the description box for more information. Also, please let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see. I'm here to help you.
I know many of you, when you're going through the hiring process or just getting started and thinking about applying for VIPKID, it can seem kind of scary because it might be something new that you've never done before, whether that's applying online or even working from home or teaching online in an online platform. It can be scary when you do anything new. I want to tell you something. Everyone has the same fears and same concerns that you do, but don't worry, just breathe. It will all be okay. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create this video series. So if you watch, you can subscribe to my channel and you watch this entire playlist. And I'm going to take you step by step through the hiring process and make sure you are absolutely 100% prepared so you know what's coming and you don't need that anxiety. Just let it go, okay? I promise it will be okay. You will have fun. And this is definitely worth it. Having the freedom to be able to teach these kids from the comfort of your home, from the hours that you want to set, and be able to say, oh, hey, you know what, I want this day off, and not even open any classes or open your schedule at all, just because you've decided that you need that day off for something important to do with your family or whatever the case may be. So please don't let this opportunity just sit on the side just because you might be worried about whether or not you'll feel comfortable on the camera or anything like that, because I promise you, once you get into that classroom with that little Chinese student, that's all just going to fade away. It's just going to disappear. You're going to seem like it didn't even happen, and you're going to be like, why was I so scared before? This is great. These kids are amazing. They're so much fun to teach. So I look forward to working with you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Also, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you through the hiring process. My referral link to VIPKID is below. So if you do use my link, you can contact me and I'll answer any questions. I'll be happy to help you through the hiring process. And let's get you started. Let's get you hired. Okay? So stick around for my next video and let's go.